Hey YouTube, finding stuff in the garbage. I never have to buy solder again for a long time. That's almost a full roll, two full rows of rolls of solder that I've found in the garbage. It's amazing what people will throw out. Plus, Allen wrenches. I go through tools that I find in garbage day or things people throw out. It's amazing. I love it. I love scrapping. I love garbage picking. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and we will see you hopefully on the next one. Whoops. There's a